Dan, what's up y'all? Today I'm going to show you how you can convert your ATV or dirt bike into a whole new looking machine just by simply changing a seat cover. And all you really need is this little jammy. Makes it a hell of a lot easier. Alright, whatever. You gonna get them all?
Probably not.
We're gonna try like hell. Alright. That one straight fell apart. Man, these things are extra crispy or crunchy. Ooh. Because I swore I was online and I saw a staple remover. You know, not like the school things, but it was like a fork. And so I asked the guy at Harbor Freight, I was like, oh, you guys got a staple remover? He's like, no, only schools will have something like that. And I was like, all right, you know what? Good job, bud. All right, might as well get that thing out and try to straighten it out. Wow, they're all crusty and rusty.
All right.
I'm on the mess. Oh, I ripped it.
Yeah, there's two I couldn't reach.
That's all right. I need to get the little pliers out.
There's two over here that aren't pulled out.
Oh, okay. We got all these. Oh, shit.
Oh, no, because of the way it was sitting.
That's all right. We got it. There you go. Oh, that's fell off too. Okay. This thing is. He's like, well, you need a new one. I mean, Gary, this thing is like, you know, 75 pounds, soaking wet. All right, here's the old. Blah, 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 blah.
That thing too?
Oh, yeah, but.
You can't really stretch it without having the thing it mounts to.
Yep. Good thing that's 9,000 pounds from the rain, soaking rain. That's good though. Oh, I forgot one. Okay, it goes like that. Gotcha. Inside of this. There we go.
Fits perfect.
It does, man. Look at that shit.
I don't know where you want to start stapling.
I don't know either.
I want to do like up here to mount it, and then down here to mount it, and then squeeze it and pull it into the rest.
No, I think we're just going to have to go
little by little. Well, I think you're not really going to be stretching the front, so you're going to definitely start with the front.
Well, yes. Well, I'm just saying, there's got a lot of play. We're going to get this thing stretched, you know? You want to do it or want me to do it?
You do.
Oh, God.
You're going to freak out no matter how it's done.
No, I'm not.
And then a bunch along the top is where it was.
Yeah. Like right here?
Yep.
All right, hold the seat down, please. This thing's not going in all the way. Some of them aren't. Okay. Now do we just pull it over and pull it tight? Or do I go underneath of it? Is that tight?
Let's check it. I'm gonna get it. Can we move up here more?
Hold on, let me down on the bend. Alright, pull that shit tight like a tiger. Got it. Oh shit. Maybe because I was trying to do that half-ass and I couldn't get it in there.
Yeah. So I'll pull these out?
Yeah, hold on. I'll make sure I get it tight. There, I guess pull it. Alright, let's do this side up to that. So the thing on, I guess it's on there even, right?
Even enough.
Yeah, I guess. Oh, here, let's
Is that going to stop it from locking in?
No, that's the problem here.
Okay.
We always hold it down or get you to cut it, you know what I mean?
Whatever you prefer.
Alright, that looks tight enough, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't help that the tailgate's dirty and shit. Oh. All right. All right. Oh no, it's up there. All right, that's good. Fingers tight.
I mean, you're pulling it.
Feel like this one. No. About there, Shane. All right, pull it with me. These are actually like super heavy duty. Not the ones it came with, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and go in the corner. Okay, got it. Okay, let's get the other side. I think that's it. Got it. Okay, last but not least. All right, think there's any spots that we missed?
Nope.
Like I said, do you want to pull this shit over, or should we just cut this off?
I don't think there's any problem with it.
Like splashing into there?
If you want.
Just so it's kind of out of the way, you know? I don't think it's gonna affect anything.
Flip it.
Flip it? How's it look? Oh god, the bed made it all dirty. So I think got little bumps here, but yeah, don't look bad, right?
Nope.
Let's go throw it on. We'll go drag the hose out, get the power washer.
She'll find her way back.
Hey, for our first job, didn't help that the bed was covered in mud. You want to rip it first and then we'll go wash it? Probably makes sense, right?
Yeah, you got the key?
Yep. Does look pretty badass. And believe it or not, them seat covers are easy as hell to put on. If you got an electric saver.